What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it with another 12 Days of Slay. Today is actually day 12, our last day of Slay. This is the last day y'all see me for a while, but for this video, we're going to be doing a New Year's Eve Slay. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I wasn't going to do my brows on camera, but I actually am. We're just going to take our e.l.f. concealer, camel concealer, and hot chocolate, and not hot chocolate, rich chocolate, and just a flat concealer brush. I really like these brows. What? They're just my brows, nothing on them. So I'm gonna do my lid now. I'm gonna buff my concealer out with an AOA Studios F30 brush and AOA Studios F32 brush, and I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth in Ebony, and I'm going to use that to set these lids. And all I'm doing is I went in with my contour shade that I usually use for my Ruby Kisses palette, and just this BH Cosmetics brush, and I started blending it out. But it went dark very quickly. I don't know why it went dark so quickly. So I'm just gonna go back in, and I'm gonna take a shade that I would usually use to bronze. I know, right? To bronze, but yeah. And I'm going to put that in my crease right above where that darker shade was, just to see if that helps this transition. So I'm just going in and taking a clean fluffy brush. This is the AOAE 127 brush, and I'm just trying to fluff this to blend these edges out, because like I told y'all before, it got really dark really fast, and I really don't know what that was about. I still don't, because it's still really dark. So I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. concealer, because I just feel like I need to, and I'm gonna put that up here, and I'm gonna blend that out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back, but I'm gonna go in with an even lighter shade. I'm gonna go in with a shade like this, and I'm gonna put that in my crease a little bit, just to blend it out. So I'm going in, I'm applying my NYX mixing medium with just a little lip brush that I had laying around. And you want to apply this as if you're doing thick wing liner, or at least that's how I like to apply it. I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit so that y'all can see my eyes a little better. Now I'm going into my masquerade palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. This is the shade Makendia or something like that. Yeah, Makendia. And I'm taking that same brush, and I'm applying that to where we put the mixing medium. And y'all see what's going on there? So now that we have a little base kind of going, I'm going to take some more mixing medium on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take McKenna, and I'm kind of going to scrape it up out of here a little bit. And I'm going to pick that up with this brush, and I'm going to use it and actually mix that into my mixing medium, just to create like this little paste to do the eyeliner even thicker. I think that looks really good. Now I'm going to go in with a thicker brush. Hold on. I'm going in with the AOA Studios E115 brush, and that same shade that we've been using, and I'm just going to use that to apply, press this down on top of here, just to set any areas that haven't been set, and to kind of blend everything down. So directly on top of that, I'm going to go in with my my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is a highlighting shade, And I'm gonna put that right over this because I'm missing just that shimmery factor that I would like. I definitely have like the white color going on that I wanted, but I just want a little bit more shimmer. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and line our eyes and put a liner, a black liner over this. Alright, Tater Tots, I'm back. So we're about to start on this face. Now I started with primer and I just put on my NYX One Heck of a Black primer. And now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl D70. This is my CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation. And that was a pump. That was probably 2 pumps and a half. That I just used. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to go in with my ALA Studios F6 brush, probably the foundation brush of the whole series. Now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm going to take the shade D15 and I'm going to put that under my eyes and in the high points of my face. While that is sitting on my face, I'm going to use the same Makeup Revolution foundation, but I'm going to be using F18, sorry, and I'm going to put that on the perimeter of my face and on my forehead because I'm going to be contouring. First, I'm going to blend out my contour, and I am actually going to use my multitasking brush from Real Techniques to do this part. And it's really warm, so it adds some depth to our face, but I think it definitely like kind of bronzes us up. And so now I'm going to go under my eyes, and I'm going to blend out this concealer. And I'm actually going to take the ALA Studios F32 brush to blend this out. So I'm going in with Rich Chocolate from e.l.f. Camo Concealer we used for our eyes. And we're just going to add that to highlight. But I'm going to blend that out with my ALA Studios F18 brush. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in to our Auntie Laura and we're going to put that on all the highlighted points of our faces. Oh Jesus. I say this every video, but I'm down to my wits' end. My Auntie Laura. It's so sad. So now to set this contour, I'm going to my Black Radiance palette and I'm going to use this Sculpt shade right here. I'm gonna put that all on those areas and just trust it blends out. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution palette right here and I think I'm going to go in with this shade on my nose. So we're definitely going to apply that color on our inner corners. So I'm taking an E128 brush. I'm taking that shade and I'm putting this on my inner corner. Now I'm going to take the shade and put that right on my cheek. And I'm keeping it in this little C area. Usually I'll bring it out some more. But today we're going to put our highlight just in that little C area. We need a cute lip. Something that gives us New Year's. I'm not gonna lie, I've been wanting to pull out a black lip since the beginning of time. So what I'm doing is I'm taking RFML 18 or It's You from, I don't know what company this is. It's like a beauty supply liquid lipstick. Ooh, and it smells like Kool-Aid. I cannot remember the name of this product, but just take a black liquid lipstick and outline your lips. This has to be one of my favorite looks. Literally, we finished out the year and we finished out our 12 Days of Slay with a bang because this is my favorite look yet. Like, best look I filmed. Great process to film. And my lashes, listen, my lashes be killing me. And these lashes, they actually look even. They look very nice. You can see my actual makeup through it, so it's not like they're covering up a little bit too much. They're just doing everything I need them to do. My lips are giving me matte black, but it's a little grayish, so it's not too strong, too like much, and I really like that. Surprisingly, I really like this look. So if you like this look as well, go ahead and please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. That would help me out a lot. Make sure that you comment down below your favorite lashes, because I need some new lashes. So comment down below beauty spa lashes and, you know, inexpensive lashes. Try to stay nowhere more than the $10 or $15 range, because I ain't really going out of debt, okay? And then make sure that y'all please share this video. Go ahead, share it on Facebook, share it with your mama, with your daddy, on Snapchat, on Instagram, all of that. Make sure that you're retweeting and liking and sharing my social media ones and all the other 12 Days of Slay looks. This is a thing that I really like to do that I started last year. And it's just a series that I want to bring back every year. So it will really be very encouraging if you would share this and just give me, you know, some views on here. I don't really do this for the views, but when I see that people are watching my videos and commenting and all of that, it really does make me appreciate what I do a lot more. And then last but not least, you know what you gotta do. I didn't already spilled out my whole heart to you. So you know what you gotta do, right? You gotta subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. Break it down. Break it down. I look like a bat. Chuckle on my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. That's been stuck in my head, guys. All right.